Hey you guys, in front of us here we have a Suburban Furnace Core 2609A. It comes with everything you need for the installation, with the exception of you will have to use your existing metal box and gas line to hook it up. The gas line is on the left side if you were facing it from outside your RV. These ones typically slide in from the outside and then you put your cover back on. But it comes with everything. I mean, it even comes with the new exhaust vent, plastic sleeve, new gas valves, new igniter, new regulator, new control board, all the wiring, new sail switch. And this specific model replaces SF-35, SF-35Q, SF-42, and the SF-42Q. So it replaces your SF-Q series furnaces. And I'll post a link down in the description below where you guys can buy this furnace. I do stock it and it ships right away. So I know it's cold out there and we can get these to you. I think I checked inventory in my warehouse. I have 4 right now. And this is one of them. So we have 4 left. We sell a lot of these. We have more on the way. So just want to let you guys know that we're not drop shipping them like a lot of our competitors. In some scenarios, customers request us to, and if one of the local suppliers that drop ships has that available, we do that. But typically on average it takes 3 to 5 days to get this, and you guys can get some heat going in your RV again and stop worrying about being cold. So again, worldofrvparts.com, link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.